What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to climb a wall for beginners without upper body strength. So this is a technique that the military uses to climb up walls and stuff. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's dive right into it. What you're going to do is you're at the wall, right? You either wall ran it or you jumped up and you're hanging like this. So the first step is to bring your feet up as high as you comfortably can. Bring your feet up, and then what you're gonna do is put your heel like this, and then go up. It doesn't require very much upper body strength, it just requires lower body strength, mainly the hamstrings, the core, and a little bit of upper body, but it's called the military heel hook. You're hanging there, just bring your feet up, go up, and then curl up with your leg, right? You're basically gonna do like a hamstring curl. It doesn't require very much upper body strength at all compared to the normal way of doing it like this. And like muscling it up, just using all biceps and like doing a muscle up with the dip. You just gotta get that heel hooked in. That's the most important part. Once that heel hook is hooked in, use your lower body strength to pull you up, as well as a little bit of your core and arms. You're good to go. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment what you think below. If you want more videos like this, and subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos like this. I'm gonna be trying to put out more content related to, fitness, working out, flips, all that type of stuff, active stuff. So God bless, have a great day.